Shorts has taken the social media world by storm, offering short, engaging videos that capture the attention. With its user-friendly interface and massive audience, it presents a golden opportunity for businesses to promote their products or services. Here are 3 reasons why YouTube Shorts should be a part of your social media marketing strategy. Reach a wider audience. Host: YouTube Shorts is integrated within the YouTube platform, which means your content can reach a vast user base. By tapping into this audience, you can expose your brand to potential customers who may not have discovered you otherwise. Increase engagement. Host: short-form videos provide a quick, immersive experience that encourages engagement. Viewers can easily like, comment, and share your content, expanding its reach and potential impact. Plus, YouTube's algorithm favors engaging videos, giving your content a higher chance of appearing in users' feed. Showcase creativity. Host: YouTube Shorts is an excellent platform to showcase your brand's creativity and storytelling skill. With features like music, text overlays, and filters, you can create visually appealing and attention-grabbing videos that leave a lasting impression.